Can you say hi?
Hi.
What video are we going to do today? Tell them!
Do hairstyle.
We're going to do a new hairstyle. Alright, well this is going to be our video for Veda Day 20. I've had a lot of requests to do another hairstyle on Miss Lily Butt. Do you like when Mommy does your hair? Yeah. So today I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a while. When I did do it, I got a lot of requests to do a tutorial on it. And it's basically going to be the headband braid. I love the way that headbands look and how it keeps your hair back. But a lot of the time, especially if you have a kid that's in school, they like to play, and a lot of the times it falls out, they lose it, etc. So I just love this hairstyle. I think it's really fun. It's really nice for keeping hair out of their eyes. I find that this hairstyle is easiest to accomplish if your hair is wet, or if your child's hair is wet. Lilia just took a bath, so I'd spray it if she hadn't just taken a bath, but she did just take a bath. So I'm going to go ahead and begin. So you're going to start whichever side you want to begin on. You're going to make a part going from ear to ear. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this side. And it's easiest if you have one of these combs. I think they're called like the rat tail comb, something like that. So go ahead and make it just as straight as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. Go ahead and brush all of this hair back out of the way. And then go ahead and take the rest of the hair, and I'm going to just flip it back. Oh my god, what are you doing? Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and start on whichever side you want. So just grab a small section of the hair and divide it into 3 parts. And the way that I do it, I know everybody does it differently, but I'm just going to show you the way that I like to do it. So you start off like a regular braid. Go ahead and do 1 of these. And then I only pick up hair from the front. So I just did the first, like, I don't know what that's called. So then I'm going to pick up a little bit of hair with this one. And then go ahead and braid some more, and then pick up a little bit more hair, a little bit more hair, pick up a little bit more hair, and continue the braid, a little bit more, continue it all the way until you reach the other ear. And then once you reach the other ear, I'm just going to braid it off a little bit more. And then you take a tiny elastic. I have a little clear elastic. Oh, baby. Again. And just secure the bottom of it just like that. So once you've done that, you can break this up a little bit, just to make it more full. You're going to just pull on each of the sections just a little bit. Are you making faces again?
No. I just wanted to see how much I this color.
Is that so? So as you can see, keep your head down for a second. As you can see, I just pull these out just a little bit to loosen it up and make it a little more full. So after you've done that, you just take 2 bobby pins or a clip or whatever, and I'm just going to pin this behind her ear. And then let the rest of her hair And then the hair will most likely fall over the clipped area, so you cannot even see it. Say hi, Kyson. And that is it. It's pretty easy, simple, and it looks really cute. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do a little spin for me. All done. Say bye.
Bye.